this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're learning how to make these wonderful woven hearts using 2 pieces of DSP. This is the product, last month's product of the month, to make pockets. Let's get started. I need 2 pieces of DSP measuring 3 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 here, and then you're going to use the 4th die from the Everyday Arches, the 4th one down, starting from the largest. And then I put the die along the fold here and let it just sit right below where it cuts, and that way it'll make that cut. When I measured this, it was a little less. It was 2 and I think 15/16, which is really precise, I know. So I took a piece of paper that was the same size and folded in thirds, and then just marked the place to cut. I'll bring my cutter here, and I'm just going to line up, and I'm just going to cut to a little over 3 inches. And you can see it's just a little. So I'll start at the 3 and go up, move over to the other one, and repeat at the 3. I'm going to do it with the second piece. That's already marked also. Okay, now we're ready to weave. I love this paper. It's all different. I think we'll do it. Should we do it this way? Yeah, that way you'll see some of the green in there. So you're going to start at the top, and you're going to open this up. Do you see how they kind of open? You're just weaving them in. So it is all about, let's see. So you're working way up. So first with you're going to take the first one. It's a lot easier with cloth, but this is paper. So in this first slot, and then you're going to open this up, put this part in, and then slide this in. I don't know if that makes sense. But basically, you went in, out, in. And this one you're going to do the opposite, right? So you're going to do out, and you have to scoot this up, in, and then squish it over, and in this one. Kind of let the last one get out of the way, and scooch it over. And it's just paper. It'll fold. You're not going to break it at all. And then just going to scooch it down. And then you're going to repeat this one here, which is out. Or in, depending on which one you're. It's a little tight, and that's why I did a little bit over the 3. And so this one goes in. This one's really tight, so just be really super careful. But it won't, you just got it. Paper's flexible. It's fine. So this is in. And then out. And if it's easier to move this one, you can move this one in. And then this one tucks in here. This one's super tight, but it'll do it. And you just kind of burnish it and smash it and make sure it's in on the line. And that is it. What do you think? Weaved hearts. You can do any color DSP at all. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video with other people that you think might like these. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. I have many, many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.